In this video, you will learn how to add Outlook account to your Gmail. So if you want to check your Microsoft Outlook emails inside Gmail app on your iPhone or Android, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro. And without any further delay, let's learn how to add Outlook account to Gmail. In order to add Microsoft Outlook email account in Gmail, what you have to do is you have to first of all open the Gmail app on your iPhone or Android, and after that you have to tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. If you are already logged in, you will see something like this, and you will see your profile icon as well at the top. So tap on that, and after that here you get the option to add another account. So tap on the plus icon and this will open up the interface for adding accounts to Gmail app. And here we get multiple email service provider options. And since we want to add Outlook account to Gmail, so we will select the option that is Outlook, Hotmail and Live. So tap on Outlook, and after that it will ask whether you want to use Gmailify or not. I'll go with no thanks for now, and after that it will open up the interface for login to Microsoft Outlook account. Here you will need to enter your email and then enter password as well. And once you have entered your Outlook email account, next you have to tap on next, and then it will send you some verification code on your email. But I don't want to go with verification code method. Instead, I'll use my password. So for that, I'll tap on other ways to sign in and then use my password, and then enter my password here and then tap on sign in. And after that, this will log into your Outlook account inside Gmail, and you can access your all Outlook emails inside the Gmail app on your iPhone or Android. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add Gmail to Outlook on your iPhone or Android, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.